Not getting Daddy's face or nothing. You don't have to zoom in, but bring the camera as close as you can over here, okay? And try to see if you can get me when I'm doing soldering. Just whatever you do, don't get in Daddy's way. This iron's hot, and I've already burned myself. Okay. Just gonna touch the wire up there. Bring us some heat. Get it hot.
Whoa, I can see the steam.
Yeah, move it around a little. Don't hit any of the diodes. Okay, get her hot again. There you go, baby. And you're in there. See that? See if I can get a zoom close up for the... So, I've had to... So sorry for the jitter, but I had to wire those 3 on there. There they are. That's what it looks like inside the circuit board of the Hyperion Vengeance 280. I ripped it off in a cornfield the day before. Here's the back side. There's a little 5-volt landing strip there. And there's one on the other side too. So, okay. So...